Okay, how is no one talking about this amazing product from Charlotte Tilbury? It is their magic lip oil, and it is just that. First of all, it moisturizes for up to 24 hours. It also gets rid of those little like vertical lip lines that we all hate. And the best part is it gives a slight little plump. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this on for you guys right now. I have nothing on my lips, and then I got this in the color Berry Bliss. So this is what the applicator looks like. It's like a little ball. Obviously, I've used it a ton before. And I just roll it on my lips. Oh my god, it already feels so amazing. Like I said, it moisturizes, plumps, and then I got it in the Berry Bliss color, so it gives a slight little tint of color. You guys, this stuff is so amazing. I mean, look at my lips. They look hydrated. I love the color. Amazing. This product, holy grail, you all need this.